If you don't eat pork, you can try this chicken soup dumplings recipe. Boil 2 cups of chicken broth and add gelatin powder. Mix and pour it in a container. Put it in the fridge, and when it sits, cut it into cubes. To make the wrapper, combine flour and water. Gently knead the dough until you form a smooth ball. Cut this into 4. Flatten the dough and cut out circles with a bowl or a dough cutter. To make the filling, combine minced chicken, chopped vegetables. I'm using carrots, cabbage, and mushroom. By the way, this thing is a lifesaver. Add in green onions, garlic, ginger, soy sauce, sesame oil, salt, and pepper. Mix everything together. Place 1 tablespoon of the filling and some chopped gelatin on the dumpling wrapper. Fold the edges like this, then twist. Steam for 10 minutes and serve.